Alright, so we are staying in site number 41. It is right here at the intersection, right up the hill. Right there is the store. There's the showers, the pool. Right here at the intersection, go down the hill. You've got all the cabins. You can kind of see them there in the distance. There's some more campsites that direction and more that direction. So I'm going to just show what is near us. I don't really have time this morning because we're packing up to walk around the entire site. This direction you've got showers and bathroom, have some firewood. Here we've got ice on site. You can kind of see in the storm there. This is where your late arrivals, they'll put all your stuff here on the wall, all your check-in information. It is handicap accessible. They have a chair here that will lower you into the pool. That's nice. I like when they do that. We were here and this place was really crowded, but it was still real comfortable. Alright, let's go in here. I'll show you the laundry room, and there's also a game room in here that's really nice if you have kids. So here you go. Got some dryers here, washers down this side, and more dryers. So if you go right into this room, you can enter it from both sides of the building. We've got a really nice game room. There's some coupon books. Few games here. Got a pool table, air hockey table. There's some board games back here in the back. You can bring them over here, set at the tables, and play. Got a bunch of RV stuff. Forget that. Can be a little pricey. Some coax cables. I actually needed one of those because I broke mine when I got here. You want to come back later through the year, if you buy this cup here for $10 or two for $18, it's free refills for the entire year, and that comes with all this stuff. So you've got some ices, soda machine, coffee, cappuccino. So that's really a pretty good deal if you come here a few times a year. Maybe have Silver Dollar City passes, and you do get a discount with season passes. If you're staying in site number 41 or near that, you are really close to the store and the restrooms. So I really like that. But yeah, that's Campground. Hope you liked it.